Hello everyone! Welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to match the LMA with the sandpaper letters from the language area. This exercise helps to reinforce the sounds of the letters of the alphabet and also to give the child a matching experience. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to match the large movable alphabet to the sandpaper letters. Are you ready? Judith, can you remember this letter sound? Very good. Can you find S and match onto the sandpaper letter? Judith, let's look at another sandpaper letter. Can you remember what is this sound?
K.
Very good. Can you find K and match it onto the sandpaper letter? Very good, Judith. Judith, can you remember what is this letter sound? Air. Very good. Can you find air and match it onto the sandpaper letter? Very good, Judith. Let's look at another sandpaper letter. Can you remember what is this letter sound? Can you find and match it onto the sandpaper letter? Very good, Judith. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!